How many cockatoos are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cockatoos and 1,000 magpies. And I don't know how many brown birds, whatever their name is. How many cockatoos are there? How many magpies are there? Comment down below. What do you think? How much magpies do you think there is? That one's frozen. There was 2 up here and 1 there with no leg. There was only 1 leg on one.
Have you found 1 leg one?
No. Cooking. She's cooking. Okay. There says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. 1, 2, 4, 6. Okay, there's 6 cockatoos. Oh wait, what's that one doing? Okay. Oh, and make sure to look at my friend's channel, Bin Lover 22. His real name's Cruz, but we just named him Bin Lover 22. So, bye guys.